चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः नमस्ते श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः चैतन्य चरितामृत आदिलीला दशम परिच्छेद श्री चैतन्य पदाम्भोजो मधुपेभ्यो नमो नमः कथंचित् आश्रया येषां स्वापि गंधो भाग भवे श्री चैतन्य पदाम्भोजो मधुपेभ्यो नमो नमः कथंचित् आश्रयात् येषां स्वापि तद्गन्ध भागो भवे. Let me repeatedly offer my respectful obeisances unto the bee-like devotees who always taste the honey of the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Even a doggish non-devotee somehow takes shelter of such devotees, he enjoys aroma of the lotus flower. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. The example of a dog is very significant in this connection. A dog naturally doesn't become a devotee at any time. But still it is sometimes found that a dog of a devotee gradually becomes a devotee also. We have actually seen that a dog has no respect even for the tulsi plant. Indeed, a dog is especially inclined to pass urine on the tulsi plant. Therefore, the dog is the number one non-devotee. But Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Sankirtan movement is so strong that even a dog-like non-devotee can gradually become a devotee by the association of a devotee of Lord Chaitanya. Srila Sivananda Sen, great householder devotee of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, attracted a dog on the street while going to Jagannath Puri. The dog began to follow him and ultimately went to see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and was liberated. Similarly, cats and dogs in the household of Srivas Thakur were also liberated. Cats and dogs and other animals are not expected to become devotees, but in the association of a pure devotee, they are also delivered. Such is Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Wonderfully merciful, wonderfully magnanimous, wonderfully munificent. Kaviraj Goswami repeatedly offers his respectful obeisances unto the bee-like devotees who always taste the honey of the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gaura Priyojana. Those are very dear devotees of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. They are much more merciful than Gauranga. That is what understand. Gauranga Mahaprabhu is wonderfully merciful. But devotees, dear devotees of Gauranga Mahaprabhu are much more merciful than Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Those who are always attached to the lotus feet of Gauranga Mahaprabhu like bee-like devotees. You understand? Devotees, like bees. They are always attached to lotus flowers, similarly. Those devotees. Bee-like devotees always taste the honey of the lotus feet, emanating from the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They are much more merciful. Even a doggish non-devotee, a dog, takes shelter of such devotees. He enjoys the aroma of the lotus flower. Not to speak of others. Dog is the number one non-devotee. Srila Prabhupada has said in his purport. Do you understand? Therefore, dog is number one non-devotee. But Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Sankirtan movement is so strong that even a dog-like non-devotee can gradually become a devotee by the association of a devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Do you understand? The example he has given, Shivananda sense dog. Even dogs, cats in the house of Srivas Thakur, they were liberated. Dogs and cats, dogs and other animals are not expected to become devotees, but in the association of pure devotee, they are also delivered. You understand? Such is the mercy of Gauranga Mahaprabhu and his dear devotees. Therefore, without taking shelter of the dear devotee of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, one cannot get Krishna prema, get Krishna. Acharya dharmam, paricharya Vishnu, vicharya tirthani, vicharya vedan, vinang na gaura priya pada sevan, vedadi dusprapya padam vidanti. Prabhupada Saraswati says this thing in Chaitanya Chandramrita. One may very strictly follow the principles of Varnashram Dharma. One may offer very opulent worship, Shodasopachara puja, to Vishnu deities. One may travel and visit all the holy places, places of pilgrimage in the world. One may study Veda, acquire Vedic knowledge, become very proficient, may become very proficient in Vedic knowledge. But without taking shelter of Gaura Priyajana, taking shelter of the lotus feet of Gaura Priyajana, if they are devotee of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, he cannot understand, also as well as cannot achieve that Krishna prema, which is even cannot be achieved by studying Vedas. Do you understand? Vedesu dullabham adullabham atma bhakto govindam adi purusham tamam vadami. Brahma Samhita. Vedesu dullabham adullabham atma bhakto. It is also cannot be found. It's rare, rarely found in Veda. But it's very easily found if someone gets the mercy of Gaura Priyatma, Atma Bhakta, dear devotee of Gauranga. That is this. You understand? So one should take shelter of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. It's absolutely necessary. Gaura Priyajana, dear devotee of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Jatha jatha Gaura Padara Binde, Bindeta Bhaktin Krita Punya Rasi. तथा तथोत सर्पति हृदय कस्मात राधा पदम वद सुधाम्बुरासी. Chaitanya Chandramrita, Prabhupada Saraswati says, those who have earned immense sukruti, do you understand? Immense sukruti in previous life or in this life may earn. Only such fortunate souls take shelter of Gauranga Mahaprabhu and achieve Prem Bhakti. Do you understand? So Radha Pada Padma, in the heart of such devotees, lotus feet of Srimati Radharani will be manifested. Sansara dukkha daladhau patitasya kam krodhadi nakramakari kavalikrutasya Durvasanan Nigadatasya Nirasrayasya Chaitanya Chandra Mama Dehi Padavalammanam. Prayer to Chaitanya Chandra, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Oh Chaitanya Chandra, I am lowest of the low. I am fallen here in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence and have been suffering lakhs of lives. My hands, my legs are all shackled. You understand? Tightly, strongly shackled, isn't it? I am in bondage, very strong bondage. There's nobody who can give me protection. I am unprotected. Also, I have been affected by lust, greed, anger. Do you understand? Lust, greed, anger, who are like sharks and crocodiles in that dreadful ocean of materialistic existence. Oh Chaitanya Chandra, without you, who can give me shelter? Please give me shelter at your lotus feet. संसार सिंधु तरणे हृदय यदि स्यात् संकीर्तनामृत रसे रमते मनश्चेत प्रेमाम्बुधौ विहरणे यदि चित्तवृत्ति Chaitanya Chandra Charane Saranam Prayat. Prabhupada Saraswati Pad says, if someone is very serious how to cross over this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence, he should take shelter of Prema Purushottama Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. If someone is very serious, eager how to taste the nectar emanating from Gaura Kirtan, Sankirtan, he should take shelter of the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. One who is very eager in how to inundate in the ocean of love. Do you understand? Because Mahaprabhu indiscriminately offers this Krishna Prema. When Mahaprabhu appeared here and started Sankirtan movement, that ocean of Prema, the flood, came and inundated the whole world. And if someone is very eager to inundate himself in that flood of Prema, he must take shelter of Sri Chaitanya Chandra. Do you understand? Because Sri Chaitanya Chandra, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, gives freely Krishna Prema without discrimination. Dante nidhaya tunakam padayo nirpatyo krutva cha kakusatam me tadaham brabhimi he sadhava sakalameva vihayo durat gauranga chandra charani krutanuragam. This is a quotation all from Chaitanya Chandramrita, Prabhupada Saraswati. Chaitanya, this Prabhupada Saraswati says, O sadhus, I request you, catching straw in my teeth, falling at your lotus feet like a rod, I request you repeatedly and begging this giving up everything, you sadhus should take shelter of the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Mahaprabhu freely offers Krishna Prema without discrimination. So please take shelter of his lotus feet. So Premananda Das, Vaishnava, poet, sings like that. Uttama adhama kichuna bachilo jachiye dile kokol kahe Premananda imana gaurange hudaye dhari abo. Premananda Das, a Vaishnava poet, also says like that. Who doesn't discriminate whether one is qualified or not qualified, worthy or not worthy. Indiscriminately, who embraces one and all and offers Krishna Prema. Do you understand? One should take shelter of lotus feet of Gauranga. Clasp this lotus feet of Gauranga and put it, keep it on your heart Do you understand? And say, Bhaja Gauranga Kaha Gauranga, Lo Gaurangar Namari, Jijana Gauranga Hoji Sohi Amar Prana. One who does bhajan of Gauranga is my heart and soul. In Tattva, Gaura and Krishna are one. There is no difference. Do you understand? But difference is there. Gaura is Krishna, Krishna is Gaura. Isn't it? Nanda Sutta boli jare Bhagavate gai. Say Krishna avatinna Chaitanya Gosai. Isn't it? Do you follow? Brajendra Kumar Jai Sachi Sutta Huilas Jai. Isn't it? One is son of Nanda Maharaj, he is son of Sachi Mata. Do you understand? So there is no difference between Gaura and Krishna. In Bhagavat, who is described as Nanda Sutta, son of Nanda Maharaj, that Krishna appeared as Chaitanya Gosai. Do you follow? There is no difference. But difference is there. In the Braja Leela, you'll find there is Krishna and Radha, two bodies. There are two bodies, Krishna and Radha. Rasa Raja Krishna and Mahabhavamai Radha. Do you follow? But in Gaura Leela, two bodies united together and become one. This is the difference. You follow? This is the only difference, nothing else. Therefore, Swarup Damodar Path has said, Naumi Krishna Swarupam. Gauranga is Krishna. So we pay obeisance to Gauranga as Krishna. Naumi Krishna Swarupam. Radha Bhava Dviti Subalitam. But his mood is different. Mood of Gauranga is different. It's not the same mood as Krishna. That is difference only. His mood is Radha Bhava Dviti. He has taken up the mood of Radharani and complexion of Radharani. Chaitanakyam Prakatamadhuna Tadvayam Chaikamatam. The Chaitanya form, the two bodies, two forms, Krishna and Radha, are one. This is the difference. Iki Bhutam Vapuravatu Bo Radhaya Madhavasya. Chaitanya Chandramurti says, Gaura Kopi Braja Virahini Bhava Magnasya Kasti. The mood is different. Gauranga Mahaprabhu's mood is mood of Radharani. Radha Bhav is predominating. As Radharani feels pangs of separation from Krishna, Gauranga feels such pangs. Though he is Krishna, he feels the pangs of separation from Krishna, sheds tears. Sheds tears. This is the only difference. Sakshat Radha Madhuri Pupa Prabhati Gauranga Chandra. Purport is that Krishna is Gaura, Gaura is Krishna. Krishna Leela is Gaura Leela. Gaura Leela is Krishna Leela. There is no difference in Tattva. But as there is no difference between Nama and Nami. Do you follow? Nama and Nami. Nami means name of Krishna. Nama, Krishna is Nami. Do you follow? Krishna is Nami. And name of Krishna is Nama. Nama, Nami. Do you follow my language? Just understand my language. Beauty is there. Abhinnato Nama Namino. There is no difference between name of Krishna and Krishna himself. Do you understand? So, as there is no difference between Nama and Nami Tattvata, in Tattva one, still, Purvasmat Parameva Hanta Karunam. This formula is there. Principle is there. Purvasmat Parameva Hanta Karunam. Though there is no difference between Nami and Nama. Still, Nama is more merciful than Nami. Do you follow? Nama is more merciful than Nami. Do you follow my language? Name of Krishna is more merciful than Krishna. Do you follow? Yes, though there is no difference. Similarly, though there is no difference between Krishna and Gaura, but Gaura is more merciful than Krishna. Gaura Leela is merciful Leela. Do you follow me? Than Krishna Leela. And Gaura Leela is much more realist than that of Krishna Leela. This is the difference. Otherwise there is no difference. Follow me? Huh? So, therefore, we say, those who don't take shelter of the lotus feet of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, they are very, very unfortunate persons. Avatirne Gaura Chandri Vistirna Prema Sagare Suprakash Ratnaugo Jo Dino Dino Eva Saha. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared, he manifested, he started Sankirtan Yajna, Nam Sankirtan, and through the chanting of holy name, he offered freely the Krishna Prema, an inundation of Prema flowed. Do you understand? Inundation of Prema flowed when Mahaprabhu appeared, started Sankirtan. Ocean of Prema, do you understand? Ocean of Prema manifested. Such golden opportunity is available. But one who is most unfortunate fellow, Otobhagya, most unfortunate, Durbhaga, he doesn't avail this opportunity. He is most unfortunate. Achaitanyamidam visvam jadi chaitanyam iswaram na vidu sarva sastrajnapi brahmanti ti janaha. We will find also, nowadays it is also, we see, there are many pandits, scholars, learned scholars, big, big persons. They cannot accept Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Supreme Personality of Godhead, as Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, such a great scholar, Brahaspati Avatar, incarnation Brahaspati, first couldn't accept, couldn't understand that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Supreme Personality of Godhead. His brother-in-law, Gopinath Acharya, tried his best to convince him, still he couldn't be convinced. That is what. So such persons are also nowadays those who cannot accept Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Supreme Personality of Godhead. So Prabhupada Saraswati says, Achaitanyam idam visvam jadi chaitanyam iswaram na viduhu sarva sastrajnaha api brahmanti te jana. Such persons may be very, very proficient in all Vedic literatures, like Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is a great pandit. He knows all Shastra. Still, such persons cannot understand Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Supreme Personality of Godhead. They cannot be delivered. They will be evolving in this cycle of birth and death repeatedly here in this material world. In spite of all their Vedic knowledge. You understand? Yes. In this Kali Kala, Kali Yuga, there is no other way to enter into the to tread the path of devotion without Mahaprabhu's mercy. You understand? Kala kalir balina indriya vairi varga. Bhakti marga yah kantaka koti ruddha. Ha ha ko jami vikala kimam karomi. Chaitanya Chandra jadi nadya kripa karomi. Chaitanya Chandra jadi nadya kripa karosi. This age of Kali, very, very dangerous age, dreadful age. In this age, the senses, mind and senses are very stubborn, strong, like strong enemy, very strong, powerful enemies. They act like that. Do you understand? And the bhakti, marga, all effulgent path of bhakti is covered up with karma kanda, jnana kanda, materialistic, material logic, arguments, all gubayagya, filled with, is beset with innumerable thorns like this. Path of devotion in Kali Yuga. So, therefore, O Chaitanya Chandra, without your mercy, I cannot tread this path of devotion in Kali Yuga. Please shower mercy on me. I am in such a helpless condition. Unless you shower mercy on me, what shall I do? What is my destination? Do you follow? Sri Gaura Hari, Prema Purushottama Sri Gaura Hari is the only deliverer of the people of Kali Yuga, jivas of Kali Yuga, nobody else. Duskarma koti niratasya duranta ghora, durbasana nigada srunkhalitasya gadham, klishyan matehe kumati koti kadarthitasya, gaurang vinadya mama ko bhaviteha bandhu. The devotee prays to Gaura Hari. I am a very, very degraded soul, most sinful person. I am always engaged in crores of sinful activities. My hands, legs are shackled, tied up very tightly. Do you understand? The shackle of material desires. Very strong. You understand? I am associating with all non-devotees, rascals, miscreants, those who are leading me in a reverse way. You understand? Contradictory to devotion. I am in such a condition in this Kali Yuga. Oh Gaura Hari, who is there but you, my friend? You are my friend. Nobody else is there. No friend is there but you will help me in such condition. You understand? This is prayer. Without taking shelter of Gaura Hari, Gaurang Mahaprabhu, if someone may do some other sadhanas, those sadhanas will be proved all fruitless. Ha hanta hanta paramosar chitta bhumavu. Vyarthi bhavanti mama sadhana koto yopi. Sarvatmana Tadaha madbhuta bhakti bijam Sri Gaurachandra charanam saranam karomi. Hi, alas, alas. My heart is like a block of very hard stone. Do you understand? A block of very hard stone, my heart, isn't it? It's a barren land, it is a barren land. Huh? I am trying to sow crores of seeds of sadhana in this barren land. What will happen? Nothing will fructify. It's barren land, very hard block of stone. Do you understand? So how can this bhakti bija, the seed of bhakti, will fructify in this heart? Impossible. So I take shelter at your lotus feet, O Chaitanya Chandra. If you shower mercy, that my stone-like heart, hard stone-like heart, will be softer, my barren heart will be fertile. Then that seed of bhakti may fructify. You understand? Sri Gaurachandra, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the only shelter here in this Kali Yuga. One who is without shelter is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, only shelter. Sansara dukhajaladhu patitasya kam krodhadi nakramakari kabalikrutasya drubbasana nigritasya nirasvesa Chaitanya Chandra mama dehi padavalammanam. O Chaitanya Chandra, I have been drowning here in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence from time immemorial. Do you understand? Many innumerable material desires I have. Those desires are acting like very strong shackle. I have bound up with those shackles. I have no shelter. I have been affected by Kam, Krodh, lust, greed, anger, who are like sharks and crocodiles in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence. And I am in such a dangerous state, condition, without shelter. Please, give me shelter at your lotus feet. Who can give me shelter? But you, O Chaitanya Chandra. Do you understand? This is prayer. Without the mercy of Chaitanya Chandra, without the mercy of the Gaura Priyajana, dear devotee of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, nobody can get Krishna Prema. Pasana parisinchita amruta rasai nirbankura sambhavet Langlom saramapater vigunataha syadasya naivat rjabam hasta bunnayata buddha kathamohodharjam vidhormandalam sarvam sadhanamastu gaura karuna bhavena bhavosava. If you sprinkle nectar, do you understand? Crores of times on a hard block of stone, do you expect that the seed will be fructified, sown there? If you put the tail of a dog, you understand, under plaster, you make it plaster and make it straight. Can it be straightened? No, it will always curve, whatever you may do. Do you understand? Can anybody catch up the moon by stretching his hand? Huh? As all these things are impossible, cannot be. Similarly, without Gaura Krupa, prema cannot be available. Do you follow my language? Yes. Because Gaurang Mahaprabhu offers Krishna prema indiscriminately. Patra patra vicharanang na kurute na swam param vikhyate. Daya devi marsako nahi navakala pratikya prabhu. Sadyojo sravane khyana pranamana dhyana dina durlabam. Datte bhakti rasam saeva bhagavan gaura param me gati. Do you follow? That Gauranga is wonderfully merciful, wonderfully munificent. Indiscriminately he offers Krishna prema. He never discriminates whether one is qualified or not qualified, whether one deserves and doesn't deserve, whether one is his own or not own. You understand? Whether it's auspicious or inauspicious. Never discriminates all these things. He offers prema. Such most munificent, most wonderfully munificent personality, incarnation, wonderfully magnanimous, wonderfully merciful incarnation, that Gaura Bhagavan is my shelter, nobody else. You understand? So this is the prayer of Gaura Bhakta. Chaitanyati krupameti paramudariti nanavida prema visito sarvabhuta hudesti ascharya dhamanniti gaurangati gunarnaveti rasarupeti sunam priyati asrantam mama jalpoto janiriyam jayaditi prarthaye. This is our prayer to Prema Purushottama Gauranga. Oh, Prema Purushottama Gauranga, you attract the heart of all the living entities. You understand? You are Sachidananda Vigraha, Chaitanya Chandra. Do you understand? You are wonderfully merciful, Dayanidhi, Chaitanya Chandra. You are wonderfully munificent, Mahavadanya, most munificent incarnation, Chaitanya Chandra. Your heart is completely filled, unlimitedly filled with the, what do you say, pity for all the living entities. Your bodily hue is like molten gold, Tattva Kanchana Gauranga. Do you understand? You are Tattva Kanchana Gauranga. You are an unlimited ocean of mercy. Do you understand? Gauranga. You are Vipralamba Rasa Vigraha. You are the embodiment of Viraha, Vipralamba Bhav. Do you understand my language? Feeling pangs of separation from Krishna is Vipralamba Bhav. Heswanama Priya. You are very, very dear to your own name. You understand? We may offer our prayers to Gauranga Mahaprabhu, uttering this verse like this. Let my whole life go on by offering such prayer. Do you understand? Prayer unto Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Nityananda Prabhu has taught us. Nityananda Prabhu is more merciful than Gauranga. Narottam Das Thakur's one. Very nice songs are there. Gora Pahuna Bhajinu Bainu. My Guru Maharaj repeatedly, very sweetly sings this song. Can you sing? Why can't you sing all these things? Huh? Another song is there. Are bhai bhaja moro gaurango chorono. Bolo. Are bhai bhaja moro gaurango chorono. Na bhajiya maino dukhe Dubi gruho bisokupe Na bhajiya maino dukhe Dubi gruho bisokupe Dagdho kailo e pancho purana Dagdho kailo e pancho purana Are bhai bhaja moro gaurango chorono Are bhai bhaja moro gaurango chorono Saptapotrayo visanole Ahorniso hiajole Tapo visanole Ahorniso hiajole Deho sada hoi ochetono Deho sada hoi ochetono Ripu basa indriya hailo Gora podo pasorilo Ripu basa indriya hailo Gora podo pasorilo Bimukho ilo heno dono Bimukho ilo heno dono Heno gauro doya moyo Chari savo laj bhayo Heno doya moyo Chari savo laj bhayo Kaya mani lori sorono Kaya mani lori sorono Parama durmati chilo Tari gora uddharilo Parama durmati chilo Tari gora uddharilo Tara hoilo otito pavono Tara hoilo otito pavono Gora dijo noto raje Bando horu doyo madhe Gora dijo noto raje Bando horu doyo madhe Ki koribe sansaro sobono Ki koribe sansaro sobono Narottama daso kohe Gorasamo keho nohe Narottama daso kohe Gorasamo keho nohe Na bhajite deo prema dhano Na bhajite deho prema dhano Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Narottam Das Thakur says, Are bhai bhaja moro Gauranga Charan. Oh my brothers, please do bhajan of the lotus feet of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Na bhajiya moinu dukhe dubi griho visogupe. Dagdha koilo ye pancha puranam. But I am such unfortunate fellow, degraded, most degraded person. I am immersed in this Gruhavishakupa. Do you follow my language? A well, Gruha is a poisonous, deep poisonous well. I am immersed in that poisonous well. Do you follow? So I cannot do. I am not doing the bhajan of Gauranga. So I have been suffering here. From time immemorial, I am burning as if in a frying pan. Do you understand? Tapatrayo visanole horniso yadole. I have been affected by three tapas. Adhyatmaka, adhidaivika, adhibhautika. Day and night, my heart is burning. That heat of three tapas. Do you understand? The whole sada hoy ochetan, my whole body is becoming fainted, without consciousness, unconscious. Ripu vaso indriya hoilo gora podopa sorilo, vimukha hoilo henodhano. All my senses and mind are great enemies of mine. Huh? Isn't it? Great enemies. They are my great enemies. So I forgot the lotus feet of Gauranga, being, encircled, surrounded with these great enemies, very powerful, dreadful enemies. I have forgotten the lotus feet of Gauranga. I am in such a condition, very dangerous, distressful condition. So who can give me shelter without Gauranga? Heno Gaurodoyamayo Chari Savalaj boy, Kayamani Lohore Soron. Gauranga Mahaprabhu is wonderfully merciful, is ocean of mercy, giving up all your fear, shame. Do you understand? Take shelter of the lotus feet of Gauranga Mahaprabhu with body, mind and speech. Complete shelter. Parama Durgati, Durmati Chilo, Tare Gora Udharilo, Tara Hilo Patita Pavan. Is known as Patita Pavan, deliverer of the most fallen, degraded. Jagai and Madhais are most sinful, most degraded persons. Do you understand? That Gauranga Mahaprabhu delivered them is so wonderfully merciful. They become sadhus, they become the deliverer of the patitas. Do you understand? Gora Dija Nataraje Bandharu Maje Ki Koribe Sansar Sama. So, in your heart, you bind up that Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Do you understand? You bind up that Gauranga Mahaprabhu with the rope of love in your heart. This Sansar Saman, Jamaraj, will be afraid of you. He will never approach you, even in the dream. Do you understand? Narottama Dasa kohe gora sama keho noy, na bhajite deo premadhana. Narottama Das Thakur says, nobody, no avatar is as good as Gauranga, as merciful as Gauranga. Even is so wonderfully merciful, wonderfully munificent, that without discrimination, he gives prema dhana. Do you understand? Such is Gauranga Mahaprabhu. You should take shelter of that. Gauranga Mahaprabhu without, in this Kali Yuga, without taking shelter of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, Nobody can be delivered. Because he gives indiscriminate freely. Krishna, prema, one great Krishna. But the question of deliverance. You understand? Automatically. The mukti will come to you without any endeavor. You understand? Without any endeavor. Mukti will come and stand at your doorstep with folded hands. I have come to serve you. You understand? In the queue, standing in the queue. You understand? Dharma, artha, kam, moksha. They are standing in queue at your doorstep. Yes. Just is that. Nadiya nagare nitai neche neche gaore nadiya. Bolo. Nitai is dancing and singing this thing in Nadiya Nagar. Huh? Dance. Stand up, dance. No dancing. Huh? No dancing. Can dance? Then? Like a tree trunk, your legs are like tree trunk. Not dancing, tree trunk. Standing tree trunk. Fixed. Then next Bhartil tree. Our journey is not dancing. Nadiya nagare nitai neche neche gaore nadiya nitai neche neche gaore nadiya nagare nitai neche neche gaore nadiya nagare nitai neche neche Jagannath Sutta Mahaprabhu Vishwambhara Jagannath Sutta Mahaprabhu Vishwambhara Jagannath Mayapura Sasi Navadhipa Sudhakara Mayapura Sasi Navadhipa Sachi Sutta Gaura Hari Nimai Sundara Sachi Sutta Radha Bhavo Kanti Achadito Nottovoro Radha Bhavo Kanti Achad Namananda Chapolo Balaka Matru Bhakto Namananda Chapolo Brahmanda Bodhana Turki Kautukanurokto Brahmanda Bodhana Turki Rakto Nadiya Nagari Nitai Neche Neche Gauri Nadiya Nagari Nitai Nadiya Nagari Nitai Neche Neche Gauri Nadiya Nagari Nitai Neche Gauri Nadiya Nagari Nitai Neche Neche Gauri Nadiya Niche Niche Gauri Krishna Namanmuto Krishna Tattva Dhyapoko Krishna Namanmuto Krishna Tattva Dhyapoko Nama Sankirtana Juga Dharma Pravartako Nama Sankirtana Juga Dharma Pravartako Advaita Bandhava Srinivasa Gruhodhana Advaita Srinivasa Gruhodhana Nityananda Prananga Dadhori Rojivana Nityananda Nadiya Nagari Nitai Neche Neche Gauri Nadiya Nadiya Nagar Nitai dancing and singing this thing. These are all names of Gauranga. Do you understand? 100 names of Gauranga. Very nice song. Chant, dance. Raju Lochan. Huh? You should chant and dance. Huh? Yes, before Gauranga. Then get his mercy. Thank you.